Modeling network simulations and have a NED file. This is a network description file used by OMNeT++, the open source network simulation framework. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll guide you through working with these network description files. Consider this your first line of defense. A universal viewer bypasses many common NED Windows errors. This is my personal favorite utility for this task, and I will be discussing it soon. NED files are network description files used by OMNeT++, a discrete event simulation framework primarily used for network and communication system simulations. They contain topology descriptions defining network nodes connections, module hierarchies, and parameters for simulating computer networks, protocols, and distributed systems in research and education. NED files use a Java-like declarative syntax, describing network topologies through module definitions, parameter, declarations, gate specifications, and connection patterns. The language supports inheritance compound modules, parameterized networks, and channel definitions, enabling complex hierarchical network models for diverse simulation scenarios in OMNeT++. To ensure best performance with NED, always start with OMNeT++ from OpenSim. Full file access relies on specialized software that can rebuild the file's index. Windows shows the plain text, while interpreting commands requires a scripting framework. The quickest way to solve this is testing. Right-click your NED file, then choose Open With. You should start with OMNeT++ if it's installed. If not, try another option, as some programs are better suited than others. If you still can't open the NED file, it's okay. It simply means we can't rely on the initial software anymore. I need you to take these 3 direct actions to effectively isolate the file error. First, opening in OMNeT++ IDE. Launch OMNeT++ IDE, which is based on Eclipse, and import the project containing the NED file. The IDE provides a graphical network editor displaying the topology visually, and a text editor for direct NED code editing. Use the integrated tools to validate, compile, and simulate the network model. Next, editing as text. Open NED files in any text editor like Visual Studio Code with NED syntax highlighting extensions. The text-based format makes version control with Git effective for collaborative simulation development. Direct text editing enables advanced patterns and bulk modifications that may be tedious through the graphical editor. Finally, running simulations. Compile NED files into executable simulations using OPP make to generate makefiles, then build with make. Run simulations through the OMNeT++ runtime environment, configuring parameters via INI files. Analyze results using the IDE's built-in result analysis tools, or export data for processing in Python, R, or MATLAB. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A helpful next step is to try a utility that attempts to bypass standard file associations by using raw-level data inspection to better identify the file's likely origin. Because the specialized software couldn't access your file, you need a dedicated universal solution. FileMagick is the one I always recommend. Visit filemagick.com for details. Did the fix work for you? Leave a quick comment below and be sure to subscribe so you catch the next video.